days again, you know? The ones where nobody is around, you're all alone, nothing to do, hot out. Everyone with a pool's away, or not home at least. Kinda sucks. Nothing good to eat, you know? Nothing to do. Don't you just hate those days? Like, seriously. What's the point? There should be something to do every day. Yeah, like you see that kid there? He's obviously very lonely. Nothing to do. Oh, okay, well maybe it's not one of those days for him, but anyway, you know.